Ever look in the mirror and think, why does my jawline still look soft, even when I'm doing everything right? You're not alone, and it's not just genetics. Because here's the thing, there are 5 weird under-the-radar hacks that can completely change how your jawline looks. No surgery, no fillers, no sketchy tools. When I first started filming myself, I kept thinking, why does my face look rounder on camera than in real life? I thought it was genetics, but it wasn't. It came down to 3 things: facial posture, lighting, and water retention. Once I fixed those, my jawline literally started showing up sharper overnight, and I didn't lose a single pound. You know how some guys have that little jaw pop when they talk or chew? That's not genetics. That's trained muscle. Most people chew straight up and down. But if you angle your jaw about 45 degrees to one side, then switch sides, you'll hit the masseter, the muscle that actually gives your jawline structure. Try it with gum or jerky for 2 minutes per side daily. You'll start feeling it after the first session. That's your jaw working smarter, not harder. This one sounds simple, but almost nobody can hold it longer than 30 seconds. Keep your tongue flat against the roof of your mouth, all the way back, not just the tip. Every time your tongue drops, your face literally sags downward. Keep it up. Your jawline stays lifted. Imagine your face is a tent. Your tongue is the pole. Drop the pole. The tent collapses. You could have a strong bone structure and still look soft if your face is bloated. I learned this the hard way after filming a video right after eating ramen at midnight. My jawline vanished. 2 days later, same lighting, better sleep, less salt, my jawline was back. That's not fat, it's fluid. Here's the quick fix. Cut salty processed food for 48 hours, drink 3 to 4 liters of water daily, get 7 hours of real sleep. Do that for just 2 days, then take a selfie on day 3. You'll literally see your cheekbones reappear. This one blew my mind, because it asks the same trick photographers use to make models look sculpted. Good lighting hits from above and slightly from the side. That's what creates shadow under your jawline. Bad lighting from below or straight on. It wipes out your definition completely. Next time you take a selfie or hop on a call, tilt your light down about 30 degrees and lift your camera just a few inches above eye level. That combo alone can make your jawline look 10% more defined instantly. All right, this last one is my secret weapon. I use it before shoots or nights out, and it makes me look like I slept 10 hours, even when I didn't. Here's the 5-min flush. Number 1, cold water for 30 seconds. Number 2, massage from chin, ear, 1 min each side. Number 3, ice cube or cold spoon for 2-3 min. Number 4, finish with tongue-to-roof posture, instant depuff. Tighter skin, sharper contour. It's fast, free, and works in minutes. You'll notice something weird when you start doing these. People want to know what changed, just that you look more confident. That's the power of subtle structure. Quick recap, 45 degree. Chew, builds definition, tongue roof, lifts everything, salt and sleep, removes puffiness lighting, enhances shape. Jawline flush, instant boost. Do these for 1 week and your face will look sharper, even when you are not trying. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of guys who never take action on their looks.